Are you feeling like you're drowning in marketing tasks? If yes, I totally understand that. You have a million emails to answer, social media posts to schedule, website updates, and so on. So, it never ends. But what if I told you there's a way to free yourself up and focus on the fun, strategic stuff? Enter the amazing world of AI marketing tools. Now, these things are seriously revolutionizing the game. Imagine having a personal assistant who can automate tasks, personalize campaigns, and even predict how your customers might behave. Think about it like no more scrambling to write that next blog post or spending hours to analyze data. AI can handle that for you. Now, let's look at some of these cool tools. We've got Salesforce, your own little sales superhero predicting deals and taking care of the grunt work. Then there's HubSpot Marketing Hub, practically writing your content for you with AI-powered recommendations. Zoho's got some awesome AI named Zia, who can analyze all your customers' data and give you insights to close more deals. Plus, Pipedrive has these super smart chatbots that qualify leads 24/7, so you never miss a hot prospect. Okay, hold on a minute. I think you've been overwhelmed by all these options, right? Well, no worries. That's where SEOfinder.io comes in. It's your one-stop shop for finding the perfect AI marketing tool for you. Just tell SEOfinder what you need, filter by your preferences, and boom. You've got yourself the ideal AI sidekick. Plus, it connects seamlessly with your CRM, making it super easy to keep track of all those new leads. Now let's talk about the benefits. These AI tools can turn you into a content machine, churning out blog posts, social media captions, even product descriptions, all with a little AI magic. AI can analyze your data and personalize your marketing message for each customer, making them feel super special. And guess what? You can schedule social media posts, respond to comments, and even run engaging contests, all powered by AI. Now, this frees up your time to focus on the creative stuff, like brainstorming that next big marketing campaign. So ditch the marketing overwhelm and start getting results. Head over to SEOfinder.io and find your perfect AI marketing match. Let me know in the comments below what AI marketing tools you're curious about, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more marketing hacks to keep you ahead of the curve.